I'm here in Providence, Ohio, along the Maumee River, near their historic Providence Dam. In this video today, we're going to explore the dam. We're going to go along the historic canals that run parallel to the river, over to the Ludwig Mill, and we're going to see the boat that is still pulled to this day by mules. There's a historical marker for Providence that reads that the town of Providence was born, thrived, and died with the Miami and Erie Canal. It was platted in 1835 by French trader Peter Manor. It was swept by fire in 1846, then ravaged by cholera in 1854, and finally unincorporated in 1928. The Providence Dam was built in 1838 to create a water supply for the canal's remaining 25 miles to Toledo. It was rebuilt in 1908. Peter Manor's mill stands downstream just a half mile at Canal Lock number 9, where it was built in 1822, rebuilt in 1846, and operates today as the Issac Ludwig Historic Mill. It operates as a living history museum along the canal. There's another plaque that reads that America needed hope in the early 1930s as the Great Depression took its toll. Newly elected President Franklin D. Roosevelt implemented social programs such as the Works Progress Administration and the Civilian Conservation Corps, which put men to work. The Young Park District played an important role in the Depression-era work programs and vice versa. The Ohio Metroparks had nearly 1,400 people working through these programs. They planted trees, restored canal locks, they drained swamps, and constructed shelters, bridges, and ponds. Now we're going to head over to the canal and on to the Ludwig Mill. If you'd like to learn more about this area, I suggest checking out metroparkstoledo.com, and there you could learn more about the historic Canal experience, where it says that it's a step back in time at the Canal experience, where you get a taste of life on the Miami and Erie Canal in 1876. Providence Metropark is located in what was once the canal town of Providence, Ohio. Today, the Metropark has one of the greatest concentrations of Canal-era features in the country, including the Volunteer. The Volunteer is a reproduction canal boat that's mule-drawn that will take you downstream and through the locks. It goes up to the Issac Ludwig mill, a working water-powered saw and gristmill. There's more than a mile of the original Miami and Erie Canal and towpath. Has lock number 44, one of the last functioning 19th century limestone locks, and you get to travel through it. Scenic Providence Dam, which we just saw, was constructed across the Maumee River to maintain water levels in the canal. There are characters in period attire that welcome visitors to a time gone by. Visit the Heritage Center to view the Volunteer and Lock 44 in action. I will also mention that just across the river in the town of Providence, they have a rail car that takes you across the bridge just over the Maumee River.
Running this way. And across, and the one went hopping all on those rocks. And this one ran to here, and